All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a Pinion Knives custom, that's a swayback, and I'm gonna try to do a little bit of maintenance on this fella. As usual, you can like, you can subscribe, you can leave me a comment down below, you can check out fablades.com and at Fablades on Instagram, but let's go ahead and see what we can do with this fella right over here. Pretty cool one. It is a custom knife made by Enrique Peña. I have the Apache, which I truly love, and it's my favorite. I wish I also had the Barlow, and I love the handle. Not so. I think the Barlow would be the Apache, sorry, would be amazing with the Barlow handle, but that's just me. Anyways, here we have the scale coming off, which, by the way, this is kind of like a G10 with copper shards infused, I believe. Anyways, that is it. Right over here, we tackle the other side. Right, so here you go. So that's the other one, and this is gonna be the pin, which already is there. So there you go. So we have let me see if this can come out easily. There you go, came out. Here we are still in need of not a T8 anymore, but a T6, I believe. Keep it pinched. There you go. So T6 coming out. Number 1. That's long. And T6 number 2 coming off. Right there. And we are done. So here, just gently releasing the pressure and everything should come apart. Yeah, these are tiny bearings, probably the tiniest bearings I've ever seen on a knife, at least. And I'll grab a little bit of alcohol swab going on over here. Just gonna do a nice cleanup for the blade, which is done. Just gonna do the inside of the scales and also the outside. Why not? Let's do this, the pivot, and the outside as well. Here we are, G10 backspacer, and the other side, it's clean as well. Let's also clean this area where the gunk piles up, and let's clean these tiny, and I mean tiny, bearings. All right, everything is done. Let's go backwards, guys, and let's do this. So here we're gonna need this fella right over here. Actually, what I'm gonna do, because I'm just making a mistake. This guy goes like this. All right, so this is gonna be screwed in from this side into that. So that's gonna be this side over here. So I'm gonna pinch these two boys together. That is going to go the other way like so. All right, so the blade will be like that. And what I'm gonna do, because I want this side basically to be receiving the blade first, like that. And this guy can also be, because this was here, So these guys come here, so this goes here, and this is right there. So that's right there and right there. Look at this. Done. So this is good. So we don't need to access that side anymore. So what I'm gonna do, I'm actually screwing back this in place already. All right. And as you do this, just remember to swap that T6, throw it out, and grab the T8. Yeah, there you go. So this is in place, like so. Almost. Tried. Let's see if I can. Very slowly. There we go. That's the screw for the scale, which is nicely in place. All right. So we have the scale that's done. The bearing is in. I'm gonna do a tiny drop of 10 weight nano oil on the detent ball and on the bearings. The blade goes in place. The stop pin has also to go in place, otherwise we have no fun. Then we can approach the second bearing. Don't forget that, a little bit of oil as well. And then we're gonna approach the scale, which is gonna have to go inside here on the with the stop pin just approaching there, and here you get your screw going through the back spacer and screwing in onto the other side of the titanium liner. And here it is the second screw, which goes directly again into the titanium liner on the other side. And then it's now time for the scale coming back. No more use for the T6. Grab T8 back again. Screw for the handle is in place, like all the way down like so. And now, last bit of the puzzle, we get the pivot screw in place as well. Release the tension, and now we're gonna adjust everything. We're gonna check like this. It's fine. It's fine. This probably is gonna need a second. Actually, no. Wow, guys. Ooh, check this action on this little fella right over here. Snappy, centered, right? Yeah, centered, yeah. That's very cool, guys. Actually, this is the best action on a Peña custom I've ever experienced. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.